Ship recycling has transformed from an unregulated industry to a structured and highly regulated process designed to ensure that ships are dismantled safely while protecting workers, the environment, and the surrounding communities. The global standard for safe and environmentally sound ship recycling is established through the Hong Kong International Convention for the Safe and Environmentally Sound Recycling of Ships adopted by the International Maritime Organization. India has aligned its national regulatory framework with the Hong Kong Convention through the Recycling of Ships Act 2019 along with the Ship Recycling Rules 2021 and the Ship Recycling Regulations 2026, which together ensure that ship recycling is carried out safely and in an environmentally responsible manner. The ship recycling process begins when a ship reaches the end of its operational life and the ship owner decides to recycle the vessel. The first important requirement is the Inventory of Hazardous Materials, commonly known as IHM. This document identifies hazardous substances present on board the ship, such as asbestos, heavy metals, and other potentially harmful materials throughout its operational life with a cradle to grave approach. Maintaining and verifying this inventory is essential to ensure safe handling of hazardous substances during the recycling process. Once the vessel is ready for recycling, the ship owner applies to the Flag State Authority for a Ready for Recycling certificate. This certificate confirms that the ship complies with all regulatory requirements for safe recycling. The vessel is then delivered to an authorized ship recycling facility. Only the facilities that are authorized by the competent authority under HKC are permitted to recycle ships under India's regulatory framework. These facilities must meet the strict requirements of HKC relating to infrastructure, worker safety, environmental protection, and waste management. Before the dismantling begins, the recycling facility prepares a ship recycling plan for the specific vessel. This plan outlines how the ship will be dismantled safely, how hazardous materials will be removed and managed, and how worker safety and environmental protection will be ensured throughout the process. Once the plan is approved, the dismantling operations begin in a controlled and systematic manner. Hazardous materials are first carefully removed and handled in accordance with the environmental regulations. These materials are then transported to authorized treatment, storage, and disposal facilities. After this, the structural components of the ship are dismantled step by step. Valuable materials such as steel, machinery, and equipment are recovered and reused. In fact, more than 90% of a ship's material can be recovered, making ship recycling an important contributor to resource efficiency and circular economy. Throughout the recycling process, inspections and monitoring are conducted by regulatory authorities to ensure compliance with the safety, labor, and environmental standards. Once recycling is completed, a statement of completion is issued by the competent authority confirming that the vessel has been recycled in accordance with the approved procedures and regulatory requirements of the Hong Kong Convention. Through this structured framework, India ensures that ship recycling is carried out in a safe, environmentally sound, and internationally compliant manner, reinforcing its leadership in responsible ship recycling.